Everything in the vehicle is trying to come escape. That's crazy, man.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
It ain't budging, is it? So look, these aren't opening, so that tells me your locking mechanism might not be opening.
No, these just...
Oh, they're just tight. See, look at that. You know your vehicle. Wow. So is it slot or airport?
Slot.
Slot port?
Yes, sir.
All the way down?
Yes, sir.
How wide, height-wise?
About very high.
10 inches? Okay. All the way down. All right. What's your tuning on it?
30 hertz right now.
Okay. And how deep does your port go if you were to show this?
Probably from this sub right here on back.
All the way back?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
Yes, sir.
That's wild. Okay, I'm ready. Hopefully you can get that fixed later because you're going to need to get in there.
Yes, sir. I really do.
I've seen people use a little wire strap from the front and pull if that's worst case. You can't open it. Good. Umbrella. Hot. Yeah.
Whenever you get ready.
Okay. So what's your name and what's in here, man?
Darius Porter, got 10 ZD612, 2 roofless 10Ks, 10 bang gang, but yeah, a little power, won't need more power, but it'll done.
Man, that's a good bit of motor force.
Oh yeah.
So what made you go with this size sub instead of a bigger size sub?
I'm just a 12 man.
They're 12 man, all right, and as many as you can fit.
Yeah. Then everybody on my team, they got 15, 18.
That's right, yeah.
You look different.
You get a little more motor force with this, so you gain some efficiency.
Yeah.
Yep. And you have, what are these wired to?
0.8.
0.8, okay, nice.
I can't do that 0.25.
No,
That life.
Do you have anything on the roof?
Or
is it just metal?
160 mil sundown audio deadener, 2 layers.
Okay. Nice.
And some down for sound, but it's falling off.
Yeah. And the batteries are?
295 amp hour C-Max liquid.
So one on each side?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is a heavy box, I bet you.
Oh, yeah.
You loaded the box first and then all the subs?
No, I loaded the box first, then all the subs. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it was a video on TikTok. I was struggling putting one in. It was hell. So.
Oh, yeah. And y'all lifted this box in what? A team of people or just a forklift?
No, we pretty much slid it in, bolted it down, then loaded the subs.
Yeah, because your box wasn't really moving much.
Nah. It's bolted down. It's got quite a few.
This is probably one of the few builds I've seen that it doesn't go into a wall with this much cone area in a 12.
Yeah.
So, impressive, man.
I appreciate it.
And you did good. You did a great job. Yeah. I bet you if you were to weigh that box, how much weight you'd say it'd be with all them subs in there?
I'd say about 3,000 pounds, 2,000 pounds.
I believe it with all the motor force and structure in the box.
Keeps
these
Yes,
songs.
yes, sir. That'd be. Back.
The quicker picker-upper.
pressure, man. And for 12-inch subs, you can always make it feel more impressive because you know you only have a 12 instead of 15 or 18, less cone air, but a lot of them. That's wild. Wow. Man, everything in the vehicle is trying to come escape. That's crazy, man. I appreciate the demo, man.
I appreciate it, man.
You're welcome, man. Thank you for showing me.
Yes,
It's
sir.
a privilege.
Thank you.
Too bad you couldn't open the back.
I'm gonna try that too. If you buy, I can let you get a shot.
Yes, sir.